Hey guys, my name is Dr. Suresh. I'm an English professor. In this short, we're gonna learn an idiom. Before we begin, you may subscribe to this channel if you think you're developing your English. Come on, let's get started. What is the meaning of birds and bees? And I'm sure your reaction is not going to be this. Don't worry. Birds and bees means the very basic details of something. An example sentence to make you understand better. I love to teach my kid the birds and bees of math. Meaning, I love to teach my kid the very basics of math. I hope you got that. You may start using it if you get a situation. Thank you for learning. We'll meet in the next short. Bye bye for now.